Hang on, I gotta restart it here. Okay, Brianna, what you gotta do is lift your foot out of the way. Restart it. Now I'll put it back down. Okay, away we go again. You like watching the dog swim? So here we are in lovely Indiana. They just had a lot of rain over the past week or two, and this is like clay mud. It is slick as ice. I feel like I'm riding an ice bike around. Yes, there's a bit of Hicksville around here. Look at that outhouse. Hey, who needs a bathroom? This will be fun. Easy. Whoa! Pick it back up. Pick it back up. Pick it up. Shut this kill switch off. That's good. Press the red button. Press the red button. There you go. Now push it all the way down to first. All the way down to first. Awesome. Now Heather, here's what you got to watch. When you're doing the front brake to slow down, you got to make sure that you roll the throttle forward with these hands so it slows it down. I know, but sometimes you still got a little bit of gas when you're grabbing the handle. Gas has to be all the way off, or else the rear tire is trying to push the front. Well, no, everything's okay. Yeah, push it all the way down to neutral. Yeah, and then kick start it again. Okay, pull her on up. There you go. Yep, perfect. Good to go. Okay, remember to look where you want to go. Don't look at where you don't want to go. Yep, taking off on this stuff. It's just like taking off on snow. Heather! Heather, shift up! Up, up! Shift up, up! Don't go for it. This is muddy. Vroom! Don't slow down, go faster! Conk out. Try it just in first gear for this really muddy part. It's not start. Do you have the engine switch back on? Yep, I think you switched it off by accident before. Okay, now go ahead and start it. Yeah, just put it in one for now. You're not doing a good job. Heather, you're doing a good job. Yeah, we gotta stay at the high parts. Give it a little gas while you're doing that. Oh, it's still in gear. Okay, push it down some more gears. Push it down. Push it down more. No, the gear shifter. Push it down, Heather. It's not in first. Zero. Okay, try again. Doing good. It's not idling well now because it's probably got water or something in the carburetor. You got to keep the gas on a little bit. Push it back down into neutral again. Good, all the way down. Yep. It's not in gear. Lift it back up. Lift up. Good job. Let her clean out the tires on the road. Get going faster. Yeah, second or third gear to throw the mud out. Okay, when you pop it into gear, don't give it so much gas. Like, let off a little bit, just enough to keep it going. Yep. Don't rev it so high. Now pop it into gear and then go. Heather, shift up, up. And then one more. Yep. Now push down, push down, push down. Not doing it. Heather, push down one. Go to second. Yep, no, just one. That's good. Look over there. See a swamp? You hear all the frogs? Aren't dirt bikes fun? Is it fun? Yeah. Oh wow, look at that big goose. Whoa! Is that real? Oh my God. That's a trumpeter swan, right? It's a trumpeter swan, right? Hey Heather, try keeping your butt further back over the rear tire. It'll go better through the mud and stuff if you sit back further, you know?
Jimmy, can I get a bowl in my hand or no?
All right, and also, look. Don't be tight and nervous. Just relax. Let the steering wheel move around a little bit because you're getting too tight.
I don't want to fall.
It's no, but you have more chance of falling if you're gripping it tight. Just let the front end move a little bit. You know, you only when you're turning do you have to put any pressure on it. It should be like riding a bicycle, like nothing. Okay? Hardly any pressure on it. What? Where's Cheyenne? He's over there around the corner. He stopped over there. Yeah, don't give it too much gas right when you're shifted into gear. Give it a little as you're starting it to let it rev up. Here, I'll do it.
I'm very tired.
I can tell. Look, I got corn stalks in there. I'll do it with my foot. Hang on. Watch this. Hold the bike for me. Hold up nice and easy. Where you go? I'm going to adjust the clutch in that. That was the first time I ever kick-started another motorcycle while I was on one.
You do good, honey.
Let me adjust the idle a little bit. I think it's messed up again. Huh? We're taking a break. She's tired. Her arms are tired.
We got to be careful with Cheyenne.
Yeah.
She's run plenty enough.